Indonesian Light Strike Vehicle 2026, the future warrior's edge. In a world where victory depends on speed, stealth, and smart firepower, Indonesia's Light Strike Vehicle 2026 is no longer just a combat vehicle. It's a battlefield game-changer. Built to meet the demands of the ever-evolving battlefield, Indonesia's Light Strike Vehicle, LSV, has transformed into a high-mobility, high-lethality platform in 2026. The upgraded LSV combines agility, advanced weapon systems, and battlefield resilience, making it a critical asset in rapid assault missions and reconnaissance operations. Combat power redefined. The LSV 2026 has been upgraded to carry advanced weaponry, including a remote-controlled turret with a 30mm autocannon, laser-guided anti-tank missiles for long-range engagement, smoke launchers and dazzlers for battlefield protection, AI-based fire control systems that lock onto moving targets instantly. Despite its compact frame, the LSV can engage armored threats and provide suppressive fire with speed and precision. Whether patrolling rough terrains or leading fast raids, its firepower is unmatched in its class. Superior mobility for any terrain. The LSV's lightweight armored body and powerful hybrid diesel engine make it ideal for desert patrols, mountain operations, jungle warfare, wet and muddy environments. With run-flat tires, independent suspension, and a central tire inflation system, it adapts in real time to different terrains, ensuring troops' safety and mission continuity. Technology-driven operations. Inside the LSV features digital battle management systems, GPS plus secure comms network, integrated drone control console, real-time vehicle diagnostics for field maintenance. All systems are designed for ease of use, enhancing operator situational awareness and coordination in chaotic combat environments. Not just a vehicle, a strategic asset. By 2026, Indonesia's Light Strike Vehicle isn't just used in combat zones but also in tactical evacuations, drone coordination and ISR, intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, urban operations, disaster relief and defense logistics. Its quick deployment and adaptability make it an essential tool in both peacetime missions and active warfare. It's not just built to move, it's built to lead. As Southeast Asia faces new threats and unpredictable battle scenarios, the LSV 2026 provides unmatched mobility and protection. It's the edge Indonesia needs to face the future of warfare, fast, smart, and deadly.